Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with a software workaround that avoids hardware repair. First, open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch, and tap Assistive Touch. Turn Assistive Touch on so the floating button appears. This gives you immediate on-screen controls. Once done, tap Customize Top-Level Menu to add device or volume buttons, or set single/double/long press custom actions. This step replaces broken physical buttons with clear on-screen controls, so you can control volume right away without opening the phone. Now you'll configure how Assistive Touch adjusts sound. Tap the floating button, choose Customize Top-Level Menu or Custom Actions, and add device right arrow volume up and volume down entries. Assign single, double, or long press actions to those controls so a single tap raises or lowers volume instantly. Make sure to test each assignment by pressing the floating icon and using the new options. If needed, open Control Center for a volume slider. This ensures fast, repeatable volume changes without the broken buttons. Finish by confirming the workaround is stable. Restart your iPhone and verify Assistive Touch reappears and retains custom actions. Make sure iOS is up to date, because bugs can block accessibility functions. If it still fails, try Reset All Settings as a last software step. If Assistive Touch works but physical behavior or sensors are problematic, schedule a repair. Hardware issues like stuck switches or water damage require technician service. One key troubleshooting tip: if Assistive Touch won't respond, update iOS before attempting resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.